Miss, how are you today?
I'm fine.
I have questions. Can I start asking you, please?
Yes, you can.
What is direct compression,
A
DC?
means of producing a tablet without granulation. The active ingredient is blended with excipients, typically at least a filler binder, a disintegrant and a lubricant, and then the blend is compressed on a tablet machine. The filler binders are usually special grades of excipients, for example spray-dried lactose, exhibiting good flow and compaction properties to enable the DC process.
What is the use of disintegrant?
An excipient that facilitates the disintegration of a tablet or other dosage form in contact with water or gastrointestinal fluid. Traditionally starch was used, but in general today's formulations utilize a so-called super disintegrant, such as cross-garmalose sodium or sodium starch glycolate. Super disintegrants are typically cross-linked hydrophilic polymers that strongly attract water. The presence of the cross-links allows swelling, but prevents dissolution of the polymer and generation of high-viscosity gels.
What do you mean by DOP test?
Dioctyl phthalate test is a test which used to check the HEPA filter integrity.
How dry granulation can be achieved?
A means of granulation, size enlargement, of a powder using a compaction step followed by milling. The most common means of dry granulation in pharmaceutical industry is roller compaction, although the older process of slugging is still sometimes used. Anhydrous lactose is the most suitable form of lactose for these processes, because it tends to retain compatibility after the dry granulation process.
What is the difference between endotoxin and exotoxin?
A pyrogen, for example, lipopolysaccharide, derived from cell wall of gram-negative bacteria. Endotoxin can lead to reactions in patients receiving injections ranging from fever to death. An exotoxin is a toxin secreted by bacteria. An exotoxin can cause damage to the host by destroying cells or disrupting normal cellular metabolism. They are highly potent and can cause major damage to the host.